Hello. I just want to do a quick video. Of course, I only have 3 minutes, but I've been wanting to try this and I just got my order in the mail. I went to AJ Finds Food and got me some Matiz mussel, and I got some mother-in-law's kimchi, and I just got in the mail the Momofuku chili crisp. I have the extra spicy flavor, I have the regular, and I have the hot honey. So we're gonna try it real quick. Okay, so let's try the original Momofuku chili crunch first with the mussels and some crackers here. Oh my goodness. Cheers. Mmm. 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 That's really good. Really good. Mother-in-law's kimchi. Mmm. So good. Next. Okay, the hot honey chili crunch, but the chili crunch is not crunchy on this one. So it looks like more like paste. Okay, let's give it a try. Cheers. A little bit too sweet for me. Still good though. If you like the sweet side, let's try extra spicy. All right, I have my mussels. Then the extra spicy Momofuku. Ooh, let's see. I hope it's not too crazy, but I do like my spice. Cheers. Can you see it? Oh. Mmm. 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 So good. Mmm. Really good. Mother-in-law's kimchi. Mmm. Another. Mmm. Okay, last bite. It has a combo of regular and extra spicy. Cheers. Mm. 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 Oh, good.